Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I feel like this is a really funny time to start a video because typically you start this before you do a job, but I actually just replaced, where is it? Excuse me, Roush. I just replaced the AC compressor in the Mercedes, and let me tell you, that is some tight space to work in. But instead of me making a video about how boring it is to replace this and me struggling, like literally, I don't know if you guys can see this, but I beat myself up trying to fit into there. We did make a little bit of a mess. That is actually power steering because I had to unhook that hose, but I figured I'd bring you guys along for the scariest part of the entire job, and that's the very last step, and that is starting the car to see if I messed anything up. And then after that, I'm gonna pull in the BMW and start telling you guys what's wrong with that, and then hopefully start fixing the problems that we're having with this, which aren't really major problems. It's just things that we should probably do before they turn into bigger problems. So let me triple, quadruple check this thing one last time, and then we're gonna go ahead and start it and make sure I didn't mess anything up. All right, Rush, we need you to go inside just in case anything blows up. Now I gotta find the keys. I think that they are in the house. I swear this is the scariest part of working on any car. Darn it. And especially the Benz, because everybody knows these are the most expensive cars, and if I fuck anything up, Lord please help me, because I already know that's going to be an expensive fix. Okay, moment of truth. I'm like literally shaking right now. Okay, here we go. It all looks good. It sounds good. This is literally my face, hoping nothing blows up. Yeah. I think I did my first major-ish repair on a car. Holy cow. That was a little bit nerve-wracking. Oh, what was that noise? Did you guys hear that? I don't know if the camera picked that up. Let's start it one more time. Smells a little funky. Okay, let's check the dash for any lights. Boys, I think we're good. I think we did it. Okay. Dude, it did that hissing noise again. I think I fricked something up, dude. Hold on. Let's check underneath the car. I think she's all good. Okay, I'm gonna lower this, finish the job on this, and then pull in the BMW, and then we're gonna do a walk through that, and I'm gonna let you guys know what we're going to be fixing on that next. Alright guys, so current update. I know last video we left off, I was supposed to be taking the BMW, lifting it up, showing you guys what needs to be fixed on it. And right when I decided, hey, let's go ahead and start working on the BMW, Florida had different plans. I know you guys heard about Hurricane Ivan coming in, and I had a lot of people reach out to me. Just to let everyone know, I'm okay, everything's fine over here, it's not that bad. But this is actually the current situation of what's going on. The water in my backyard is supposed to be down to where those trees are, and it is creeping up the backyard. I don't think it's gonna make its way here. Inside the house, power has been out since yesterday at 2 p.m. before the hurricane even made landfall. And we come in the garage. I did just open the garage door because I decided to take the dirt bike out, and I thought that I was recording a video for you guys to show you guys everything that's going on. Hopefully I can flash some clips, but this is, I got it wet, and it's saying no SD card, so hopefully I can pull some stuff off that. But I had both cars stored away in here. Power is out, so I had to manually open and close this thing. I should probably just close it now. since I have everything in here. Oh, yep. The life of having no power. But both cars are in here. Everything's doing good. Dirt bike is over there. Wanted to take this thing out, but we can't because the roads are flooded and there's no way that this thing is going to make it through the puddles. And I don't even have tires. So sorry that we couldn't make a video of digging into it today. We might be able to do that. Actually, I don't know, me and Fresco are possibly thinking of doing it tomorrow. Either way, though, it's going to get done. I just can't tell you guys exactly when. But we are going to knock that thing out and get everything taken care of on it, fix all the leaks, blah, blah, blah. But thank you guys for watching the video. And hopefully Florida can recover from this pretty quick. So yeah, see you guys next video.